Smile. Are you enjoying?
Yeah, you like it?
Yes,
Sailing.
yeah, we're sailing.
We went
Finally.
sailing all the way out here. Can you believe it?
Yeah. If you want to Boracay, we can go now. Oh, it will take us 6 days.
6 days.
Yes.
I have to go. I have to go back.
No problem, sir. You buy the water, big water, and then cooking.
Yeah. Now you cook.
You can cook.
And then tuna.
Oh, yeah. Cook
The
it.
canned foods.
Yeah, and the rice.
Yes.
Sardinas, pwede.
Yeah,